Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. Peppa and I were gifted this dog recovery suit. This is basically going to replace the cone for you. These are great. So pro tip for measuring, you want to measure the length of your dog very carefully. And what I do is I get a piece of string, lay it on Peppa's back, measure, and then I measure the string. So this is really nice quality. It's breathable, it's washable. You have this really soft, stretchy around the neck and around the arms. And then on the sides, it's also stretchy, but this is where you are going to put the Velcro so that it stays in place. I think it's so cute. You do have to help your dog if they have to go to the bathroom. And so you will have to undo the back, roll it up, super easy breezy, and then you attach it to the sides. And then their little bottom is exposed here. So let's get Peppa and put this on and see what it looks like. Come here, come. Okay, so here she is. Pro tip, you want to get this and try this on your dog before they have surgery because they're so uncomfortable when they come home. They don't want to put this on. But if you practice with this a few days before surgery, they will be fine. Peppa's a pro with putting clothes on. So you're going to put this on their neck and then you're going to put their arms in. We did use this type of suit when Peppa had a surgery. And it's a game changer because the cone is just impossible. Okay, so this is Peppa with the sides of the recovery suit up. You can see she can walk around. They are nice and in place here on the sides. And then if I want to put this on completely, you can see I bring this under her. And then you bring it up on the sides and she is completely covered. I think she looks kind of smart in this. Okay, so let's look up close here. You can see everything is all covered underneath. She looks great. So let me change the camera, let her walk around so you can see how easy this is for your dog. Here is Peppa in her dog recovery suit. It is a breathable onesie. It's a great cone alternative. It keeps your dog from licking after they have their spay and neuter surgery. And we've used these with Peppa and they work beautifully. So it gives your dog freedom to eat, sleep, move, and run around. It fits all breeds, multiple sizes are available. Just make sure that you refer to the size chart so you can find the perfect fit. This does work for boy and girl dogs. And again, it's just such a great alternative to wearing a cone. We love it. It's so comfy. We think you will too. Definitely check it out.